Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install GCC in our Windows system. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open any browser. First of all, open any browser and write Mingw for Windows in search bar. After that, click on that first link. If you are getting trouble to find that link for download MinGW, then don't worry, I have put that link on the description. Then after that click on download. Our download is being shortly. Okay, our exe file was successfully downloaded. Okay, let's open. Then click on that show in folder and open that file and just the, the double click to install. Okay, after that, let me. After, here you can see MinGW setup is open. Now here, just click on install, and here is the path where our MinGW is going to install. If you want to change the path, you can simply change the path using this field, using change field. But I am not going to change path. If you want to change, then you can do. Okay, after that you can click on that continue button. Just wait while uh, just wait for a few seconds. Make sure your internet is up. Our downloading progress is completed. Now you have to click on that continue button. Here you can see the MinGW installation manager. For install the MinGW classes, right? So simply you have to check all the checkboxes, right? This click on right click and then mark for installation. After that, you have to simply click on installation and uh, click on apply changes and then click on apply. Just wait for a few minutes. After successfully installed MinGW, you can close that dialog and go whenever you have installed your MinGW. Here you can see I have installed in C drive. That's why here MinGW is showing here. After that, click on bin and simply open CMD here. For the open CMD, you will just click here and write CMD and simply check if our GCC is successfully installed or not. That's why you have to write GCC icon version. But that's why I have done that GCC icon version. Okay, here you can see our GCC is successfully installed. Okay. Uh, for what you have to set an environment variable. Here you can copy the path and write it on CMD. Open environment variables. Open environment variables. In here path you have to set the path of that bin folder. Oh, that's bad. Why that path is not copying? Copy that path and here you have to paste that path and click on OK. After that, OK. After setting environment variable, uh, when from whenever you want, you will access the GCC. Suppose here I am going to open CMD, right, and just write GCC F1 version. That's the benefit of the set the environment variable. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, bye.